So we have touched down in Adelaide. It is so far absolutely gorgeous and we haven't even left the airport.
It's really nice weather.
It's really nice weather, we're very lucky. It's blue skies, it's quite warm actually, I really don't even need to be wearing this jumper. But we're heading to our first location, which is Jade, which is apparently like a bunch of little cottages. Cartia's there already, so we're gonna go meet her there.
Having a nap, she's having
a nap, she's always napping, that girl.
Nap.
Anytime that I'm with her, she will have a nap. But then we have a group dinner tonight before we leave for the Barossa tomorrow. So we will see all the other girls that are here as well. Hello! Hello!
Yeah.
Hey! What up? We've made it. We have arrived in South Australia. This is our view. And gang's all here. We're gonna go get ready now because we're gonna go to the launch party. Chat to you then. So when you enter my room, this is my view. We have arrived on quite literally the most spectacular day. Look at that water. This is my beautiful room. I can't believe I've got all of this to myself. And Cartia's just next door and she's got like a twin room. We're only here for one night though, which is a shame. And then we're heading to the Barossa, but I can't exactly complain about that. We're on our way. First event. First drinks. Drinks.
It's very nice car. Can I have this? Is this part of the trip?
Wants to bring me down. But twice as much ain't twice as good. You can't sustain like one half could. You wanted more, and it's gonna bring me to.
This is a bit bloody special. No, we look like we're dressed for a wedding, all of us.
A really exciting moment for us.
Yeah.
It really is. You're our first.
Be here and doing this, and it's I'm gonna find it really hard to find words tonight because it's all happened really fast.
I'm nibbling away at the cheese.
And pears last week from then on.
And we've got the sunset finally setting. And we're finally sitting by the fire. Beautiful. Look at this. Cartia and Jade went for a walk this morning and I'm a lazy bitch, so I decided not to go, but I can still admire the view from my balcony. Okay, I'm ready to go. Day 2. I'm going to insert a sort of video of my outfit, but just a little bit more casual today. We're in the car again. I feel like every introduction to each day is going to probably start in the car. We are off first today to Vas Virgin, and that is a lip balm sort of company. And we are going to learn how to make lip balms. Wow, this is not going well. I need a coffee. Lip balm? Why do you guys watch me? I don't know.
Skin and body care.
Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay. Handmade skin and body care, lip balm.
Just put on my
Both of us in our leather. We have our breakfast. We're ready to hit the road. Road trip.
Or lime. It's kind of that minty sort of. I find using these wooden sticks are really a lot easier. It's always helped me make sure that we combine the product really well. Do you want me to take a photo for you?
Oh no, it's okay. I'm filming.
Oh, yeah, okay. And as it cools, it gets thicker and thicker.
The honey's not.
Here is our finished product.
Cool down.
Wow.
So where we were standing before was kind of just up that end, all the way through to the current 100-year-old, which is the D1919. Not by much. It was this tea.
Mine's tea. Peppermint tea.
A tea.
Whoa.
I need another hand.
Yum. I know, I want to finish. It's so good. It's like really tasty.
So we're trying port from the year
we were born. 1996, baby. We're at a lovely degustation lunch now at Fino at Seppeltsfield in our matching leather.
Rub it in.
We're the same. We've arrived at our next home. We've got a fire. Holy shit. The smoke. And this is our view as you step out into our courtyard. We've got a whole vineyard. We have had such a beautiful day. Every activity we've done is divine. Every place we turn, we're like, that's a good photo spot, that's a good photo spot. And we've tasted some incredible wine today. We've been able to make our own lip balms, as you guys have seen. We tasted port from the year that we were born, and then we had a beautiful degustation, big meal, so we're all very full. Although I've just come home and just demolished a bit of a cheese board. My dad is basically in love with red wine. He's got his cellar going on at home, and he constantly teaches us about red wines and the regions and where the good places are. And one that is our favorite is the Barossa Valley. That's where we do love to drink a lot of our red wine from. So it's really cool to actually be in the Barossa Valley right now. Like, it's so weird that I'm here and getting to experience actual wineries myself. Even when I look at wine menus when I'm in the States or whatever country I'm in, and I can see that there's a Barossa Shiraz, that's what I'll always choose, because it's just a great wine. It's a great region. It makes such good red wine. Tomorrow we're gonna go do a bit of a tour of some wineries. We're gonna go see Rockford, which is, Dad always on special occasions will whip out the Rockford Shiraz and a few of the Rockford wines, and that's some of my favorite red wine to drink. I'm definitely gonna come back here with Nick, I think, and we're gonna do another one of these tours because it's very romantic as well. If you guys are looking to have anything, sort of a trip that's a bit romantic, I would highly suggest the Barossa Valley.
Oh, no. Wow, the lights. Hi guys, you've all missed me.
I had such a good time. We're very blessed.
We're so lucky we've got such a good little group.
I know. But yeah, I'll show you guys a quick tour of our little Airbnb, or our little cottage. Bedroom, made an absolute mess. This is the bed I'm sleeping in. Look at my bathtub. And it's our little cottage. We're gonna have a movie night, red wine night. We're gonna... the cash of the willow tree. We've got some cheese boards. They've given us some food for tomorrow, some oats and bread. Good morning, everybody. We have had a lovely morning. We went for a stroll around the Barossa. It was actually really tough because it was quite hilly. And then we had some breakfast. I had some eggs, bacon and avocado. I'm so excited for today. This is my outfit. We're taste testing some of the things at Maggie Beer right now. We've got the chocolate and the caramel. Taste of caramel. Yum. Some bread and olive oil. This lake is, it looks crystal clear.
How are you feeling today? Sammy Rockford.
I'm feeling great. How are you feeling, Cartia, Mallan?
Yeah, so good. Relaxed, calm.
Relaxed, calm, having the best time.
Need to look after them, hand-picked, gently pressed and hand-pruned as well. Be a nice crisp sort of finish. Yes, you're trying to do a thingy of it while I'm pouring, are you? Do you want me to pour slowly?
Yeah, no, you go, you're killing it.
The nutty sort of characters all come from this one.
We've come to Harvest Kitchen, having some lunchy food.
Brussels sprouts. Sprouts and tomato sauce and pasta. Thank you.
Look at the amount of aioli that is on that. Right, so I think I explained to you guys briefly that my favourite red wine, the sparkling Shiraz, is from Rockford, and Dad always brings it out on special occasions. So we have just come to the Rockford vineyard and we're gonna have a look around. I'm gonna buy some wine and I'm really excited.
Different wines, so we've got your three whites here. You've got the Alicante Boucher, which is a rosé style. This is our Alicante Boucher.
Cheers.
Got like a little mirror thing for you.
I just gotta watch myself.
Yeah.
No, I'm filming.
Yeah. Like move the light over there.
Yeah, can we set up a ring light just here?
Yeah.
basically.
But yeah, it's live.
Oh my god, that is delicious.
Have you tried it before? Or?
No.
No. Oh,
Never tried the rosé.
Oh,
Oh my god, I'm so intrigued.
Right, we are at the markets in the Barossa Valley. Oh, okay, we're gonna go on a bit of a tour, I think, of the markets, all the fresh produce.
Anyone can call themselves a farmer's market, but really what we really love to emphasise in the Barossa is that it's the people who have actually made or grown the produce, as an example of how food traditions from kind of around. I think we've probably got time for one last, we're going to do like a little sweet treat. Can we have time to do a little more?
Hello. I wanted to say a massive thank you to South Australia Tourism for bringing me along on that trip. That was definitely one of my faves, and I will be returning there very shortly. Me and Nick want to go back for sure. So thank you so much to Amy in particular, our mum of the trip, for bringing us along and giving us such an amazing time. I also felt the need to address the fact that I didn't talk about Hagues. We got given Hagues on our first day, and Hagues originated in Adelaide in South Australia, and I cannot believe not even a single point of that video did I address that, so I had to say that at the end, that my favourite chocolate of all time is from South Australia, and I demolished my chocolate within one sitting, so I didn't have time to show you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you soon.